What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you the bot I've been working on for quite a while that's finally finished with the help of artificial intelligence. The bot's basis uses concepts of arbitraging mempools and front-run leveraging popular decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. Put simply, the bot operates on the principle of sandwiching transactions. It analyzes mempools, which is essentially a waiting room for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. After reading the mempool, it picks certain transactions to specify higher gas prices than the initiated prices, allowing us to process our transaction first, then process a sell order right after. Meaning the pending transactions get sandwiched by ours, giving us profit in the slippage. If this sounds complicated, it's really not. You don't need any coding experience whatsoever, since the script was generated entirely by artificial intelligence. Okay, first, make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed. MetaMask is essential for interacting on Web3. Now we'll go to Remix. Remix is used for creating Solidity-based smart contracts. I'll put a link to Remix along with everything else you need in the description below. Only use links from my video description to ensure you're doing everything correctly. Now, move over to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the Contracts folder. Name it Bot.sol. In the description, I've linked the bot's source code. Copy this code and paste it into the file Bot.sol you just created. This is our bot. Everything is already set by default. Make sure you're getting the code from the link in the video description to ensure it's updated and working. Before we compile our bot, make sure to read our quick user guide at the top. It's important to note for the bot to function optimally, it's recommended to use a minimum deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The absolute minimum liquidity required is 0.2 Ethereum. Anything less than 0.2 Ethereum runs the risk of absolute losses. The larger the bot deposit, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increased profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 Ethereum with a little bit extra to pay for gas fees, and you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Let's go over to the Solidity Compiler tab now. On the very top of the code, you'll see it's built with the 0.66 version of Solidity. Under Compiler, select the 0.66 version so that it matches our contract. Also, make sure the language is set to Solidity and EVM version is set to default. Click on Compile Bot.sol and wait for the bot to compile. Now, let's deploy this from our wallet. Head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Here, select Injected Provider as the environment. MetaMask will pop up. Just connect it. Everything looks good, click Deploy. I always set gas fees to aggressive. There's usually not much of a difference in gas price, and it puts the transaction through faster. Let's wait for the transaction to confirm. Great, we can see here that it's confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Scroll down a little bit and click this. Now you can see the bot's control panel. Start enables the bot to start sniffing mempools. Withdraw stops the bot and transfers the funds back into your wallet. These two are used for debugging if you run into any issues. Let's copy the smart contract address with this button here and paste it into the Etherscan to make sure it's created. Yup, it was created successfully. Next, let's fund the contract. I'll copy the smart contract address once more and head over to MetaMask. Make sure you got the right address in there. I'll put in 1 Ethereum and set gas fees to aggressive again. Nice, transaction confirmed. Now the bot has Ethereum to work with. Let's double check our contract on Etherscan to make sure it's funded. Perfect. Now the last step is to click Start. Let's set the gas fee to aggressive and click Confirm. I'll let this run for a bit and see how it's doing. Alright, it's been a little over 8 hours. Let's refresh Etherscan and see how much we've made. As you can see, I have about 1.41 Ethereum, which is 41% profit already. This is really good, but I want to show you the full potential. Let's give it the rest of today. Alright, let's check it again. Unreal. It's a little over 2.2 Ethereum. Insane. It shocks me how good this works. The bot continues to run until you click the withdraw button. When you click withdraw, the bot exits mempools and returns the total amount of Ethereum you entered initially, including the profit back to your wallet. Let's click it. This will charge us a little bit of gas. I'll set it to aggressive again and click confirm. There we go, the transaction confirmed. Let's go to our MetaMask. Nice, the bot's balance is in my wallet. Keep in mind, this is only after 24 hours. Some weeks I've made 20 Ethereum, sometimes more. The profits will fluctuate day to day. If you have any questions, I put my Telegram link below. Let me know what profits you get in the comments below. Seriously, drop a like and subscribe. I've been working on this for a long time. I'll be making more high-value content like this in the future. For now, turn post notifications on and give this bot a try. Peace, guys.